my milk!
That was like a 250-foot shot to the face. That guy's going already. I gotta go this way. There are enemies right in there. There's enemies right in here. In the blue? Yeah. Trying to get up in that thing with me?
You want me to cover you or vice versa?
Either way. Let's just both go.
Alright.
Ready?
Second, let me take this off. Ready when you are.
Alright, let's go. Right there, on your right. Hey, shoot this guy right here. This guy right here on these fucking barrels. Be quiet. You see him? You get him? Oh shit, there's a lot of guys. You might want to grab your rifle.
Oh. One took off. There's still one behind the bus.
Yeah. You gotta peek this way, peek this way.
There's only one guy left right there. What do you say? You? They said this 28. Hey, we got a grenade. Call bang bang.
Bang bang. Yeah, I got you first. Go. Bang. You want to parlay? So it's about the same time. I'll just parlay that.
Each other in the teeth.
Okay, well, at least got half of you. Let's roll dead anyways. We're all dead anyways, doesn't matter. I know, but
I'm parlaying that.
I get it. We're all dead.
Finding the right words is one thing, but for many children, getting them out is a problem. 1 in 4 young children will have a pattern of stuttering as their speech develops.
We're all dead. In either way, we're all dead. Okay. Stop talking. Look. Just a game. I picked it up and tossed it out.
Yeah, I fucking pulled the nade off my thing and it broke. It didn't ignite, so I just threw it in there anyway. Oh, what the fuck?
That was a very bad idea. I give you credit for doing that. You got big cojones.
That's enemy straight ahead.
Straight ahead?
Yeah, he just ran back. They're on those white plastic things. I don't even know exactly where that's from, but they're pretty close out here.
Okay.
I'm gonna try to, oh shit, this guy right here standing up.
I'm hit. I'm trying to find my rag.
I got one.
Can you get res, man? Okay.
Oh, I fucking sniped a guy in the forehead. God damn, that was a good shot. I see him inside the Connex.
Yeah. Alright. Somebody over here. We need revolver.
Oh, I fucking got him. Yeah, I got the guy inside the Connex.
Can we leave you two to watch us?
Anyone else?
And then everybody else, we're gonna push right, yeah? Sounds good. Sound good? Alright.